All right, so today we'll be solving this using meshes and super mesh concepts. So we'll start off by identifying our meshes. This will be IA, this will be IB, this will be IC, and this will be ID. And we can see here the power source connects these two. So this will turn into a super mesh. And we'll start off with Kirchhoff's law, which will be, we're gonna start off with IA. Mesh A, start off with this 5V, but we're going in through a negative, so it'll be -5, first resistance. There's nothing that clashes with this, so it'll be 30A plus 45, which collides with B, so it'll turn into 45A minus B. And there's nothing else, so we're moving on to the super mesh B through C. There's no voltage, so we're gonna go first resistance 45, it collides with A. It'll be B minus A plus second resistance 54 collides with D, 54 B minus D. And following here, 49 is by itself, so it'll be plus 49 C. And moving on to D, ID, it'll be 0 equals, we'll start off here going that way, the voltage 2 plus the resistance 54, it clashes with D, 54 D minus B. And the connection here, since it's going up, it follows C, and it's on the opposite of B, so it'll be C minus B equals 1/4 or 0.25. Now we're going to put this in. So after putting these equations into the calculator, I got these 4 values. And we're looking for Vx, and B goes up through negative, A goes down here. So let me write the equations. I equals VR, which will turn into V equals R times I. And let me see, so the resistance is here, it's 45. So we already have that. And to find I, we had to find out which value is bigger. And in this case, it will be A minus B. So to find I, it will be A minus B, which will turn into negative 0.034 minus negative 0.167, and that will be minus 0.034 minus negative 0.167, and that will be, this will turn into 0.133. So this is our I value. So this will be times 0.133, and this will equal our V. So we'll multiply that by 45, and we'll get 5.985. That is our V. So we have that figured out. And to find the power, it'll be P equals VI. But in this case, since it's going through a negative here, then it'll be negative VI. And now we just have to plug in our numbers. P equals V, our value, which would be negative 5.985 negative, and our I value, which is times 0.133. And now we just put that in the calculator, times 0.133. This will turn into P equals 0.796 watts generates. And that's what we got. Vx will equal negative 5.985, which is this right here. And there you have it.